What's up, guys? It is Mitchell J, the Scaredy Cat Guide, and the Bitcoin round three. And you know what I mean by that? It means we are creeping up on 6,800 again. So will we break it? Will we fail? Only one way to find out, and that is wait and see. So look at the chart. You can see what I'm talking about. So when we were in this descending channel, we had bounced off the 6,400 area, came up to 68, and then dumped, created a new low, and then had a slow rally to where? 6,800, and we failed there again. Poke through, failed, couldn't do it, poke through, failed, down we went, and then we created this higher low, which I talked about in yesterday's video, which this is positive price action. We have a higher low. This was the prior low, now we made a higher low. And after making this low, most likely it's like, all right, if we're going to push through 64, we're going to 68. Here we are. So now the question is third time a charm? Because if we do finally break through on this third attempt, then again, our upside, we're looking at this prior top. So we have upside of about 7,700 there in terms of just the real estate available. So there's no guarantee that we're going to push higher or that we're going to fail. What I can say, though, is the fact that we created a higher bottom, a higher low, after bouncing off 6,800, that is positive price action. And many times it's that third time when you break through a support or resistance level. So we'll see if that holds true here, or if not. I like that this candle, so this is yesterday's candle, this is the new candle, it's only like a few hours old. This candle, we got a big green body candle, and you see the volume was decent. It wasn't huge, but it was on the higher end in terms of average volume. So that's good to see. And who knows? Maybe we'll consolidate here today, tomorrow. Who knows? And then push through. But ideally, we want to get through 6,800, and like I said, then we're looking at 7,700 as the next upside target. Obviously, now downside, we're no longer worried about this low around 5,800. Now, essentially, it becomes this prior low, which, I mean, about 61, 6,200. So ideally, we'd like to see it stay above 64, but that 6250 level, a lot of people also are talking about, is key. Like I said, this is more of an area. I've been working off 6,400, but so downside, you're looking at about 6,250 is what would be the next downside target now that we made this bottom. So there's your upside and downside targets, and basically, however we react to the 6,800 level, we'll let you know. If we fail, then we'll probably come back and touch 6,250. If we break through it, then we got a chance at running up into the sevens. And that is it. Know your price points, act accordingly. So I will put links in the show notes as usual, and see you on the next video.